Hello everyone, welcome today in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Friday 11th September the 11th 2020. We have here 6 Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary and a tectonic. First one is a Sudoku with 1 star, and this will be number 1506. And before I start, I always count the printed digits so you have an indication of the difficulty level. The 1 star usually has 27 printed digits, but let me check if this is correct. We have here 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 4 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 2 is 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 2 is 23, plus 4 is equal to 27 as expected. Alright, so let's get started. In the second column we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 3. We have a 4 and a 3 in this big square, so no 4 and 3 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. These 2 numbers are left in the second column for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. 2 and 6. 2 and 6. This big square. 2 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 2 and the 8. Let me mark them. I cannot fill this yet. It's a pair. That means the other 3 numbers in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. We see here a 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 9 and the 7. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places for 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the middle column. Only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for the 9, here, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, first digit, alright. Then let me see. How about the 5 in this row? No, I cannot. 5 in this row, the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. Let me see. How about the number The number in this row, 4 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 2, the 6, the 8, and the 7. 2, 6, 7, and the 8. 2, 6, 7, and the 8. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2, 8, and a 7 are left. 2, 8, and a 7. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here also an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 and 7 are left. 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. Those numbers are the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. How about the 6 in this column? 6 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. We have a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be the 8. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row. 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 8. Here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 8. Here or there, we see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 2, 6, 1 number left in the middle row for the number 3 is missing. 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in the middle column, the 3 and the 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 3 and 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so in the last column, only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 number left in this third column should be the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 7 are left. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 7. 2 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 5, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 3, we have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the last column. For the numbers 2 and 1, 2 and 1, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a 7, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers, the 2 and a 6 in this big square. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row. For the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 3 and 7, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I see you in a minute with the second one, a 2 stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye.